Boom. Hi guys, happy days. Right, another day of Icon Pro trading. Right, let's go straight into the Icon Pro portal, trading portal. Here we go, let's have a look. Right, see what sort of coins are peaking today on dipping. Let's have a look. Let's scroll up. Right, all on Binance, okay. CEC paired up with USDT. Well, that's a nice little some volume there, 6.5 of 6.15%. Nice. That's what I like. I look at that. Let's have a look. Put on my chart, and then I'll do some due diligence and have a look. Let's just open the screen up a bit more. Okay. Can't really see that. Let's enlarge this a bit. Right, let's have a look. So it's dipped once. It's actually went into the Bollinger Band, and it's going to dip again. Right, my take on this is that I will put a trade on the third dip. Okay, this is how we're taught within the Icon Pro. Okay, so I'm going to wait on the second dip. So at the moment, I'm going to put a little ticky, a little note, say second dip, and this will inform my phone or mobile device. Okay, so that's that one sorted. All right, and let's look at some other coins. Let's just open this up a bit. All right, here we go. Let's have a look. Oh, there's one cow USDT paired up with cow, 3.60%. Okay. There's other ones here. What's this? Catty paired up with USDT. KDA. Okay. 4.39%. Let's have a look at that one, shall we? Well, I'll go to my chart. What is it? That's 15 minutes ago. So it's dipped once. It's going to go up to possibly the SMA, middle line here. So I'll be waiting. So I'm going to put another alarm here. An alarm alert. So that'll be a second dip as well. So I'll make a note of these, see, and then when they come in, I reevaluate it again, and I put a trade in. But I like to just have a look what's going on. I like to trade about, say, 5-6 coins in a day, sometimes less, sometimes more, depending on what the market's like, really. So what's this? Vita paired up with USDT. Okay, that's 4.32%. Okay, let's have a look at that one. Show the chart. Okay, well, that's 10 minutes ago. So 10 minutes ago, it's really pumped up there. So I'll just be waiting again. Okay, well, just put a little alert on the Bollinger Band here. There we go. Second dip again, wasn't it? Second dip. Okay. So what I like to do, I like to wait until he's far off, and they'll probably notify me on my phone anyway. Great thing about this, I don't have to be glued to the computer all day. I like to do a trade on my phone. If a trade does come in on my laptop, great stuff. I'm straight in it. But at the moment, it's just letting me know what's going on, which is pretty cool. That's what you want. You want a bit of freedom. But guys, this is a very, very good platform. It's all built into Icon Pro, as you can see. You do get like a chart with TradingView. It's all built into the actual system. Okay, so you don't have to subscribe to TradingView to have this. It's just built into the actual membership of Icon Pro, which is pretty handy. We do have like every say 15 minutes, 10 minutes, it does revise. So it's checking out all the dips online, all the exchanges. I remember a few years ago we used to do this by hand. It used to take absolutely ages, try and get a good dip. But this software here, it just finds it for you, every 10 to 15 minutes. Pretty damn good, But anyway, on my links below the video, have a little look. By the way, guys, also if you do sign up, you do get a free boot camp. It's a 45-minute long video. It tells you how to look out for the dip strategy. Teaches you how to the dip strategy. But when you're a full member like myself, it's lots and lots of information. Very, very good, and you need it really if you want to do this full time. You can do it part time. It's up to you, But the beauty about this, when you're trading, you're learning an art. So you learn an art of how to trade, and no one can take that away from you. Once you learn the skill of trading, you can actually make a very, very reasonable income. Beats the 9-to-5 job, as they say. Me and my guys, have a great day. Thank you very much for watching my video. Really appreciate it. All my information will be below the video. Please click like my video, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in Icon Pro, please PM me message on YouTube, or you can contact me on Facebook. Alright guys, have a great day, and thank you very much for watching my video. Really appreciate it. Catch you later. Bye.